Welcome to MDL Power Up, a family-run business supplying agricultural equipment for over 15 years. We'd like to demonstrate our portable petrol-driven log saw. It's off-road towable with a standard tow hitch. And the large chunky tyres are perfect for travelling through uneven terrain. Super simple to use with an easy start petrol engine which provides complete portability. The operator handle works simultaneously as a log grab, keeping the material securely in place during the cutting. A sliding log support is useful for handling longer material, and an adjustable backstop can be deployed to keep cut sections the same length, ideal for log burning stoves. This machine can handle logs up to 30 cm in diameter, and its extra large 70 cm tungsten tipped blade sails safely, effortlessly. Every machine is built and individually tested in our own Cumbrian workshops before being dispatched, so you can be sure you'll receive your machine in perfect condition. Spares and consumables are held in stock and will be delivered to you quickly. Order yours today by visiting mdlpowerup.com.